Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be doing JoJo Doppio from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Wind. So I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and pause if I go too fast. So I'm going to start with the eyes. Center point of my page is approximately here, up a little bit over to the right. And then we go diagonal up, across, and bring it down. And you can thicken this line up a little bit. JoJo, we have quite thick eyelid lines. Like so. And he has some eyelashes sort of sticking off. Like so. Then the bottom eyelid down here. Curves around. Like so. Thicken it up as well. Quite a thick eyelash line on the bottom too. And spiking eyelashes. Like so. So there's iris, just a big circle. If you have a compass or a coin or something that you could use to do that circle, there's no shame in it. Or if not, just try freehand. And then pupil in the middle. So you could do some dots sort of on his eyes if you wanted, just for his iris, like so, but not 100% essential. So then he's got an eyelid line as well, right? So goes up, comes across, and then it kind of comes down, touches the eyelashes, and curves up for his brow up the side. And he does have some like hatching lines here for the brow area, like so. And then an extra sort of bit of eyelid coming off here. He doesn't seem to have eyebrows. I never noticed this. He has like a shadow above his brow, right? So I'll do that in a minute. We'll finish his eye on the other side, right? So measure the eye width. That fits in between his two eyes. Then you know where the next eye is going to start, right? So approximately here. So we'll go just check. Yeah, we can fit an eye in there. And then we go up, across, same sort of thing, and down. You can just thicken up this eyelid line a little bit. That's my lashes. And the bottom eyelid. So similar sort of thing. Similar sort of shape. Like so, and then iris, pupil, oh, and eyelashes on the bottom. No. And sometimes the iris can have dots, lines coming around like that. So then the eyelid line, so again, comes across, goes up, goes across, down, kind of curves up the side here. We've got some hatching just there. And then an extra little line coming across here. So those brow lines that I mentioned, so it's not like an eyebrow that would normally be here. They're like higher up, so they're like there, right? And they're colored in black, so this makes me think they're like a shadow on his, like over his brow. So another one on this side, like so. They might be eyebrows, but they're extremely high up and small. And I've seen images with him that he like, there's no eyebrow at all. So I think it's just a shadow for like his brow. I could be wrong. I stand corrected. Right, so the nose. So it's just got a V just down here in the middle of his face. And it's got sort of a sideways nostril coming in. Quite unusual noses in JoJo. Like that, very simple way of drawing them, you know. And then we got some hatching lines just coming down the side there. And then we have those shadows that JoJo characters have on the side of their face. So, like here. Comes down around. Kind of shows the bridge of the nose, sort of where it is. And then this comes down like so. And it's dark inside. It's like a dark shadow here. Another one on this side, so this one sort of comes more up. So it's higher up than this one. Then it comes down here. Like so. And then his mouth. So kind of like a letter M, okay? So we go up, down, up, down to there. Alright, so kind of like the letter M or handle of a bow and arrow. And then the inside, same. So real big lips on JoJo characters, so you just do that sort of thing again. There for his top lip. And then his bottom lip just comes across there. And then the other end of his bottom lip, like so. And then we got like a sort of a shadow underneath. Like something like that. And then those lines that JoJo characters have on their cheeks. So kind of comes out here, down, like so. Like that, and his chin, so real square chin there. And check proportions now. Eyes to nose, about the same as nose to chin. See, here to here, about the same as here to here. So like say top of his eye now, to nose, about the same as nose to chin, and then nose to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip line to chin. Here to here, about the same as here to here. So they're the proportions you want to go for. And once you get those, jaw up the side. Stop about mouth level. See here, just under, say where the edge of his brow is there. So that's where you want to change direction, right? So up the side, across from the mouth, under here, and then we go up towards his ear. Like so. And then his ear, so sideburn just here in the ear will come out from this. So real stick out sort of ears. And the other ear is actually blocked by hair, so we'll draw the hair fringe first. So this is the kind of ears we're dealing with there. Real sort of boxer-like ears. And then his fringe, he's got a real big fringe, right? So it kind of spikes out a couple of times here and then comes up. Then it goes around. down to like a spike here. And then this will go down around. And then down for a piece of hair that like sticks off here. Right, so like a piece of his fringe, and then the side of his head again, sideburn comes out here, and then his ear will kind of be in here, roughly in line with the other ear. And then we'll go bones and ligament lines inside, like so, and you could have some like hair lines, texture lines coming off that. Right, so then the top of his head, right up here. So to the top of his head, I would say, you know, to this sort of brow area here. So this is probably halfway between the top of his head and his chin. So like here to here, about the same as here to here, nearly. Pretty close, okay? So just so you don't make the head too big, right? That's sort of what you're looking for. This area is about the same as his whole face. Right, so halfway down is about here, the sort of brow. So then we'll go up from there, from his ear on this side. Like so. And then this will come down to about there. And then this piece of fringe comes in. Across like so. And then we got like some spikes or something, some like parts in his hair. At least that's what they look like to me anyway. So this one comes off here, right? And some of these have different colors inside, so you just add an extra sort of area there, like an extra line or two, just so you can color them in. And then, right, what can we see? Texture lines coming across here, like so, like this, like this, there. Oh yeah, and he's like lines on the side of his temple as well, like on the side of his head. So like here, say, like something in there as well. And right, yeah, so that's the main parts really. And then the neck. So the neck comes down from here. It comes down from there. And he's got that collar on, so it comes around the bottom of his neck here. And the other side. It's down around. So, some lines just to show that that kind of sticks up here. And then there's all these patterns and lines on his shirt, so we'll draw those in. And he's got a bit of a ponytail kind of sticking out here. So, like long hair at the back. And then his shoulders pretty much just stick off this way. Like this. so. And then he's got this cross-strapped area and collarbones. Oh yeah, we've got some collarbones. Let's put one, say, underneath his chin here, going out towards his shoulder, like so. Going up towards his shoulder joint that way, and then coming down. So he's got like it's just the style of his sort of top that he has on. He's got like an open sort of thing in here. And then more lines coming down his body. This is sort of lines on it as well. Like chest line, shoulder, muscle lines maybe there. Like so. And then something else here. So these are just like clothes lines, texture lines, muscle lines, like his shoulder. Boop. And then up here. Right. I think that's everything. That is how to draw Doppio from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.